The 2013 Hyundai Veloster RE Mix Edition. Hyundai and RE Mix Lab have a long history of collaborations, including a number of offerings at the SEMA Auto Show. This year, the two companies are back at it again to introduce a special edition RE Mix production Veloster that's actually set to go on sale before the year ends. While not as bombastic as some of their previous tie-ups, the special edition production Veloster does feature a number of modifications, including an aggressive sporty exterior appearance with a unique body kit, projector headlights with LED accents, rear LED taillights, fog lights, and a new set of 18 inches unique gunmetal-finish alloy wheels. Inside, the Veloster RE Mix Edition carries a premium 450W dimension audio system with 8 speakers and 8 inches subwoofers. Obviously, that's part of the program considering that RE Mix Lab is known for their celebration in the creativity of music. Other enhancements include a leather steering wheel and shift knob, an interior LED light kit, unique floor mats, and badges. No engine upgrades were given to the Veloster RE Mix Edition, which means that anybody interested in the car will have to make do with the Veloster's 138 horsepower, 1.6-liter GDI DOHC 16-valve transverse-mounted inline 4-cylinder engine. The revamped Veloster models are scheduled to hit Hyundai dealerships before winter and have been priced at $19,900 for the manual transmission model and $21,150 for the DCT model. Update February 22, 2013, the Hyundai Veloster RE Mix Edition has finally hit dealerships. Be sure to get your hands on one if you're interested in the car.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.